Once again, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about the different map that we have available for us. Based on your convenience, the one that you feel more familiar with, you would choose. And the different maps are at the bottom next to the, between the point of interest and the minus button for zoom. So let's go with the fifth one, which is the satellite map, which some people would use it based on their preference. All right. And this map, it's a Google satellite in partnership with Leaflet. We have the fourth map, which is Wikimapia. The description of the map are at the bottom right. We have that third map, it's Open Mapsil. And basically it's open for contributors to populate the map and give more information. We have the Open Mapsil map. Some of them, based on your internet connection, would take longer to load. And the very first map that we have, it's the one for Google. This one, usually a lot of people like to use it because it's mostly populated. It has way much more information. And there's the option of traffic. You could see live traffic with it. You go at the left side, you click the lights, and you can see live traffic with some delay, of course. It tells you which roads are clear for circulation and which ones are not that free and that have traffic. When you see it's green, that means it's pretty much free. Orange would mean there's some traffic, and any dark colors means heavy traffic. Hope today's video